Hi, my name is Barb. I want to talk to you today about tent trailers. Tent trailers come in different sizes. We specialize in the Rockwood line, which is a Forest River product. They offer a lot of fantastic warranties on the roof, on the floor, on the axles and others, and some of those go up to as many as 15 years. I can tell you more about that later. What I do want to talk about today is that this has a power winch, so you don't have to crank up the top of it. As you go into the unit, it's got a great big storage bay on the front of it. When you go in, you've got a nice refrigerator, you've got a great stove, you've got a beautiful king-size bed that is a heated bed like an electric blanket. You got a queen on the other end, a couch. It's nice to have a couch, and that will make into another bed for I think you could probably sleep as many as 8 or 10 people in here. The dinette is really nice. All of the windows feature screens and clear canvas, so this is a type of a tent trailer that you can use in any kind of weather. So give me a call. My name's Barb. I'm at 541-521-4232. I want to talk with you about this Rockwood tent trailer.